Title: Goal, your North Star in life. Meaning: today, we're exploring the word goal. A goal is an objective, aim, or target that one aspires to achieve. It's a term that signifies ambition and the path to personal growth and success. Pronunciation. Pronouncing goal is simple, goal, with a soft G and a long O. Use in a sentence. For example, setting a goal to improve one's fitness can lead to a healthier and more active lifestyle. Importance. Goals are essential for personal and professional development, guiding our efforts, motivating us, and helping us measure our progress and achievements. Conclusion. In summary, goal is a word that represents the driving force behind our ambitions and the destination we strive to reach in life. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, embrace your goals as the guiding stars in your journey to success.